Getting your toilet flange height and wax ring thickness right is seriously clutch if you want to avoid leaks and keep your bathroom smelling fresh. So, first off, you want to check that the flange sits flush with your finished floor, no higher, no lower. Because if it's too low, the toilet won't seal properly and you'll get leaks. If it's too high, the toilet won't sit flat and could rock, which is just asking for trouble. Next, pick a wax ring with the right thickness to match your flange height. Standard ones work great for flanges level with the floor, but if the flange is a bit low or high, go for extra thick or double wax rings. When you're installing, press the wax ring firmly, but avoid smashing it too hard, because that can cause it to spread out and lose its seal. Also, make sure your toilet bolts line up perfectly with the flange holes to avoid any shifting after installation. Don't forget to tighten the bolts slowly and evenly so the toilet seats snugly on the flange without cracking the porcelain. If you're dealing with a flange that's really worn or broken, replace it before putting down any wax ring. Finally, after everything's set, give your toilet a solid flush test to catch any leaks early before you seal around the base with caulk. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet flange height is ignoring how much it sticks up from the floor. Too low and you'll get nasty leaks. Too high and the toilet won't sit right. Fix this by using flange extenders or shims if the height is off. Another common problem is using the wrong wax ring thickness, which leads to weak seals and bad odors. Always match your wax ring thickness to your flange height. Last, over-tightening bolts can crack your toilet base or crush the wax ring. Tighten just enough to hold the toilet steady without forcing it. Taking care of these three things keeps your toilet working smoothly and prevents expensive water damage later on. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for anyone needing trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with bathroom installs. It also helps contractors get connected with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making sure everyone wins on their next home project.